Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the Rubik's Cube Junior thing, I think. I was just figuring out, I just figured out that I could use some 3x3 algorithms I use for the beginner's method on this puzzle. However, it broke. And it wasn't just this one piece, pretty much the entire thing fell apart, but the rest I could put in easily. It's just this piece. I tried forcing it in, it just doesn't work. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, I probably won't be using this puzzle again unless somehow I get it working, but I don't feel like that would happen. Yeah, this is just, I don't know. Like, I was gonna time myself and see how fast I could solve it. I've never timed myself on this puzzle because I didn't have a method to solve it. I just kind of tried doing stuff, but it broke the first time I tried to solve it fast. And so I don't know what to do. If anyone has a method for like putting this together or something, or knows how to fix this, then please tell me. But yeah, this whole thing just basically came apart, and yeah. So I mean, I am gonna get a normal 2x2 for Christmas, so that's good, of course. It's always good to get a new puzzle, but it's just, it's right when I figured out a good method of solving this that wasn't just guess and check, it broke on me just immediately. So, yeah. I really don't know where to go on from here. But I do have other puzzles, and at least I got some use out of this before it broke. It is a Rubik's brand, so like I wouldn't expect it to be the best quality. And oh shoot, I just dropped a piece down there. I think that's all. Okay, yeah. But yeah, I didn't but it's just like, I don't know, just one corner popped out, and then I just knew that the whole thing was falling apart there. But I dropped a tiny piece, I don't know where it went. Yeah, I think I may have also just lost a piece of it. So that just adds to this. Yeah, I think I just lost a piece. That's great. But yeah, so it broke. That's all I have to say. Bye.